Hey Canva lovers! Today I'm showing you how to remove the background in Canva without needing Canva Pro in just a few easy steps. If you're using the free version of Canva, this video is for you. First, head over to the Apps section and search for Background Eraser. Choose the first app that pops up. Once the app is open, select the picture from your PC or phone that you want to remove the background from. Then, just click on Remove Background and wait a few moments. Voila! You've got a perfect image without a background, ready for all your designs. If you found this helpful, drop a comment with the next Canva tip you want to learn. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more tips. See you in the next one!